I'm going to let you in on a little Hollywood haunter's secret. Some of you already know the tale, but for those who don't, here it is. When I was little, my dad told my brother and me a story about a vampire's grave. Whenever we would visit Iowa, there was an old home that had a grave on their property. My dad said it belonged to a vampire. It was one of my favorite memories as a child. We went back to the site about 8 years ago. Sadly, it was in pieces, but still neat to see it after all of this time. We actually made a Dracula grave when we first started home haunting, but this year we wanted to recreate the legendary vampire grave from my childhood. And it means so much to me, especially this year, because my dad passed away last year. So we had to put the Easter egg in the graveyard. And while most people don't know the story behind the grave, it is still a beautiful cross to everyone else who passes in the Winchester Mystery House Cemetery.
So to create the tombstone, we've made it like several tombstones and monuments we've done in the past with 3/4 inch plywood for the inside structure. Then we used great stuff to attach all the foam pieces to the outside of that. Once all the carving and sculpting was finished, we hard coated by using an epoxy foam safe resin, and then we covered it with a mortar spray texture. And then Jeana applied a dry lock to it to seal all that stuff in. And then she went on to the priming and painting and aging to make it look old.
And sealing.
And sealing.
I know these videos are kind of fast, short, and sweet. If you guys are interested in longer tutorial style, we do have a ton of stuff in our catalog, so definitely go check out those videos. We can show you more about how we build stuff, how we carve stuff, how we glue stuff together, and how we hard coat. We do appreciate you guys for watching, and we will see you next time.